Hello students, I am Mrs. Suvarna Shete, FE Department PCCOE. Today we are going to learn work power energy and batteries lecture number 2. Content of today's lectures: effect of temperature on resistivity, resistance temperature coefficient of a composite conductor, and some numericals. In previous lecture we have learned the effect of temperature on resistance. Today we are going to see the effect of temperature on resistivity. The resistance, when temperature is increasing, its resistance is increasing in case of the metal, that we have learned in the previous lecture. Now here we are considering the resistivity of metal, and same way resistivity is also increasing when increase in temperature. So we are defining the formula for resistivity from the resistance. As we know the formula for the resistance, that is RT is equal to R0 in bracket 1 plus alpha 0 T. Similarly, we can write for the resistivity rho T is equal to rho 0 1 plus alpha 0 T. Same way, I have taken here the second example, RT2 is equal to RT1 in bracket 1 plus alpha T1 T2 minus T1. Similarly, we can write it for the resistivity rho T2 is equal to rho T1 in bracket 1 plus alpha T1 T2 minus T1. So we are using the resistivity formula from the resistance that already we have defined in the first lecture. Okay. Resistance temperature coefficient of a composite conductor. First we see the composite conductor. Composite conductor is made up from the two different material connected in series or any combination, that called the composite conductor. Here I consider the two different material connected in series, A and B material. Let RAT1 and RBT1 be the resistance of two conductors A and B at T1 degrees Celsius, and RAT2 and RBT2 be the resistance of conductors A and B at T2 degrees Celsius. Let alpha AT1 and alpha BT1 are the corresponding temperature coefficients at T1 degrees Celsius. When these two conductors are connected in series and is heated from one initial temperature T1 degrees Celsius to final temperature T2 degrees Celsius, then we'll get the following equations. RAT2 is equal to RAT1 1 plus alpha AT1 T2 minus T1, and RBT2 is equal to RBT1 1 plus alpha T1 T2 minus T1. That equation I have written separate, but it is the only one conductor which is made up from the two different materials. So we have to write it down combine. Here we have to find out the formula of alpha, resistance temperature coefficient for, for the conductor, which is made up from the two different material. And that formula is alpha ABT1 is equal to RAT1 alpha AT1 plus RBT1 alpha BT1, divide by RAT1 plus RBT1. We are using this formula for simple numerical. Okay. Numerical. These are some basic formulas that we are going to use to solve the numerical. Basic numerical that already I have shown in first lecture. Okay. One alpha is given at 20 degrees Celsius and second alpha that we have to find out at 0 degrees Celsius. So by using the relation alpha 1 and alpha 2, we can find out the alpha 0. Okay. Numerical. At 0 degrees Celsius, a specimen of copper wire has its resistance equal to 4 milliohm and its temperature coefficient of resistance equal to 1 upon 234.5 per degree Celsius. Find the value of its resistance and temperature coefficient of resistance at 70 degrees Celsius. Now the data is given at 0 degrees Celsius. R0 is given 4 milliohm. Alpha 0 is given 1 upon 234.5 per degree Celsius. And second temperature is given T equal to 70 degrees Celsius. And we have to find out the resistance value and RTC at 70 degrees Celsius. As we know the formula that we can use to find out the resistance and alpha. RT is equal to R0 1 plus alpha 0 T. That formula that we can use to find out the resistance. The R0 value 4 into 10 raised to minus 3, 1 plus alpha 0 value 1 upon 234.5 into 70. Final answer is 5.19 into 10 raised to minus 3 ohm. That is the resistance at 70 degrees Celsius. Now alpha at 70 degrees Celsius, we can use the relation alpha 2 is equal to alpha 1 upon 1 plus alpha 1 T2 minus T1. That is alpha T is equal to alpha 0 upon 1 plus alpha 0 T. ये फॉर्मूला भी हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Now alpha 70 हमें find out करना है. Alpha 0 is given. Write down the values here. Alpha 0 and do the calculation on calculator. We will get the final answer 3.28 into 10 raised to minus 3 per degree Celsius. पहले नोट डाउन करना है what is the given and what we have to calculate. Simple numerical था. At 0 degree Celsius data is given and we have to find out the data at 70 degrees Celsius. So by using the relations that we can find out. Second numerical. A resistance element having cross-sectional area of 10 millimeter square and length of 10 meters takes a current of 4 ampere from a 220 volt supply at a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Find the resistivity of the material and second current it will take when temperature rises to 60 degrees Celsius. Consider alpha 20 is equal to 0.003 per degree Celsius. First read the question, write down the given data. Area is given 10 millimeter square, length is given 10 meter, primary current is given 4 ampere, voltage is given 220 volt, primary temperature is given 20 degrees Celsius, second temperature is given 60 degrees Celsius and alpha at 20 is given 0.003 per degree Celsius. फर्स्ट हमें जो फाइंड आउट करना है रेजिस्टिविटी ऑफ द मटेरियल, resistivity of the material, that is R is equal to rho L by A. Now length and area is already given, so we have to find out the resistance, resistivity of material. So primer resistance RT1 is equal to V upon I1, 220 upon 4 is equal to 55. 55 is equal to rho into 10 upon 10 into 10 raised to minus 6. The resistivity of the material is 55 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm meter. Now second temperature is given, T2 is equal to 60 degrees Celsius. For that we have to find out the current. What is the current at T2 degrees Celsius? Now we know the formula, R2 is equal to R1 in bracket 1 plus alpha 1 T2 minus T1. R1 हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिया है 55 ओहम. ओके, नाउ R1 at 20 degree Celsius है, alpha at 20 is given, so we can find out the R2. R2 is 55.66. जब भी हम आंसर कैलकुलेट करेंगे पॉइंट के बाद 3 डिजिट तक आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, तो R2 is 55.66. From that we can calculate the I2 as voltage remains same. So I2 is equal to V upon R2, that is 3.95 ampere. Third numerical, rating of a filament bulb at 1520 degrees Celsius is 40 watt, 240 volt. The resistance of the bulb at 20 degrees Celsius is half of its hot resistance. Find the temperature coefficient of resistance at 20 degrees Celsius. Two temperatures is given, 20 degrees Celsius and 1520 degrees Celsius. T1 and T2. Power is given 40 watt. Voltage is given 240 volt. Okay, and the resistance relation is given, that initial resistance is half of the final resistance. Okay, T1 at 20 degrees Celsius and T2 1520 degrees Celsius. So R1 at 20 degrees Celsius and R2 at 1520 degree Celsius. From that we can calculate R2 resistance. R is equal to V square upon power. अब क्वेश्चन होगा कि R1 इज इक्वल टू वी स्क्वायर अपॉन पावर हम ले सकते हैं क्या? नहीं ले सकते. व्हेनेवर वी आर कंसिडरिंग द पावर दैट इज द फाइनल, इनिशियल कंडीशन में उतना पावर कंज्यूम नहीं होगा, सो वी आर कंसिडरिंग R2 इज इक्वल टू वी स्क्वायर अपॉन P. So R2 resistance is 1440 ohm and half of this is the initial resistance at 20 degrees Celsius, that is 720 ohm. अब हमारे पास R1 है, R2 है, T1 है, T2 है, so we can calculate the alpha 20. R2 is equal to R1 in bracket 1 plus alpha 1 T2 minus T1. ओके, तो अल्फा 1 क्या इंडिकेट कर रहा है? अल्फा एट 20, क्योंकि हमने लिया है R1 एट 20, सो अल्फा इंडिकेट करेगा अल्फा एट 20. तो इससे हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. तो वी आर गेटिंग द अल्फा 20 6.67 इंटू 10 रेज टू माइनस 4 पर डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, जब न्यूमेरिकल हम सॉल्व करेंगे, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू रीड द न्यूमेरिकल, राइट डाउन द गिवन डेटा। फ्यू रिलेशंस है जो हमें इस न्यूमेरिकल में यूज़ करने हैं। ओके, रिपीटेटिव हम वही रिलेशंस यूज़ कर रहे हैं। एक है अल्फ़ा वन अल्फ़ा टू का रिलेशन, R2 R1 का रिलेशन। ओके, ये दो ही फॉर्मूले हम मैक्सिमम यूज़ करते हैं और वही यूज़ करके हमें न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करने। ओनली वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट विच वन इज़ R1, विच वन इज़ R2, व्हाट इज़ T1 T2, विच कंडीशन इज़ गिवन। ओके, ये अगर समझ में आ जाएगा तो न्यूमेरिकल हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।